Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I'll make pumpkin drumstick bharta recipe. For making bharta recipe, I took 3 drumstick cut into big pieces, washed and peel off the skin. For making bharta recipe, it's necessary to peel off the skin properly. I took a medium sized pumpkin. Divide the pumpkin roughly into 4 equal parts. I will use only 2 parts. Scrape off the inner core of pumpkin. Clean the seeds. Now peel off the skin of pumpkin. If you are taking the green pumpkin, you can use the peel also. Peels are also edible. Now I will cut the pumpkin into big pieces. Put in a bowl and pour sufficient water to wash the pumpkin. I took 5 to 6 garlic cloves. Grate the garlic cloves, otherwise you can mince the garlic cloves. Turn on the heat, put a pot, add a tablespoon mustard oil. After oil is hot, add grated garlic. Saute for few seconds until the raw flavor gone. Now add the drumstick pieces. Stir the drumstick pieces over medium to high heat for 2 minutes. Add a teaspoon salt and a teaspoon turmeric powder. Put a lid, cover for 2 minutes over low heat. Open the lid, again stir for few seconds, then add sufficient water to cook the drumstick pieces. Cook for another 5 to 6 minutes until drumstick is soft. In a kadai, add a teaspoon oil. After oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon fenugreek seed. Saute for few seconds, then add curry leaves, quarter teaspoon mustard seed and 3 to 4 red chili. Saute for few seconds until it's fragrant, then add the pumpkin pieces. Stir for few seconds, then add half a teaspoon salt and a teaspoon sugar. I like to add sugar for making this recipe. Now add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Over low heat, cook for few seconds, then add some coriander leaves. Stir for few seconds. Cook until the pumpkin pieces are soft. Now add the boiled drumstick with water. At this stage you can mash the pumpkin, but I am not going to mash it because this pumpkin is very soft and sweet. So I will cook for another 2 to 3 minutes over medium heat. Our drumstick pumpkin recipe is ready for serving. It's a yummy, healthy and nutritious dish. Kid will definitely love this recipe. Serve this recipe with chapati or steamed rice. Thanks for watching.